Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your power button double-click shortcut on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. Now, I believe that by default, your double-click will actually work. Oops. Your double-click will work as a shortcut to your camera. It's almost working. So it should work as a double click as a shortcut into your camera. So in order to actually change it, we want to go to the settings, scroll all the way down and click advanced features. Here you click side button, and here you can disable the double press entirely or simply click it in order to change to something else. For example, we can choose Samsung Notes. So now we can paint with brush, for example, or whatever we like. And when we are done, and when we try to double click now, it should work just fine. So now we can just draw whatever we like. However, you will need your little pen, I believe. Or maybe I'm just... Oh, it does, okay. It does write, but it is... It will be... Oh yes, it is much more visible here. So, if you like this tutorial, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.